My name is Jason Yonan. This is Lab 4, the Progressive Vending Machine. What this does is it serves you a drink determined by one of two factors. One is your current state, and two is the temperature. So if we switch one, represents you being intoxicated, and switch 2 represents if you are overstressed. LD8 is always going to be on. It's our system run indicator. And when we turn on switch 1, which says that we're intoxicated, we are served water, which is shown on LD6. When we are overstressed, LD5 will turn on, telling the vending machine to serve us beer. And when both of them are on, that means it's an emergency. You're served water, which is LD6, and 911 is called, which is LD7. When neither of these are occurring and the vending machine is serving you on temperature, anything between 0 degrees to 32 degrees is going to be vodka, which is shown on LD3. Anything from 33 degrees to 60 degrees is coffee, shown on LD4. Anything from 61 degrees to 90 degrees shows that you will be served beer, which is shown on LD5. Anything higher than 90 is water, which is shown on LD6.